Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn about latitude and longitude. But before going directly to the topics, let's talk about Earth. What do you know about Earth and what is the shape of our Earth? Have you seen the picture of Earth? Okay, so basically we live on Earth, right? And it is spherical in shape. Now, take a look at this picture. This is what our Earth looks like. Now, look at this picture. This is map of the world. In both the pictures, we can see a huge difference. But we have to focus on these lines. Here in map of the world, we can see these lines. But in the picture of Earth, we don't see them. So, what are these lines? These lines are called latitude and longitude. These lines are used to determine address. These lines are imaginary lines that we used to determine address. Every place on earth has an address made up of latitude and longitude. Let's start with the latitude. As we know, earth is spherical in shape. So now let's draw a circle. Imagine this circle is our earth. If you stand here, this will be east, west, north, and south. But we call this North Pole and South Pole. Now let's draw a line from west to east. Now draw more lines from west to east. These lines are called latitude. Let's take a let's take one example of a biscuit. Look at this biscuit. This biscuit is also in round shape just like our earth. So now imagine this biscuit is our earth and this biscuit has lines like we draw on circle, right? And these lines are latitude. And the one which is in the middle of all the line is called equator. From equator we can see how far the north and south is. So, what is latitude? Latitude are imaginary lines which runs from west to east. Okay, now let's talk about longitude. Let's again draw a circle, but this time we drew lines from north to south, means top to bottom. Add more lines and the line which is in middle is called prime meridian, from which we know that how far the west and east is. Let's understand this with an example. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is an orange. Now we will peel the orange. This is what it looks like after peeling an orange. Now imagine the earth is like a big orange. Now we can see the lines in orange running across from top to bottom. So longitude lines are like this orange segment. They run from the top of the earth to the bottom. So what is longitude? Longitudes are imaginary lines which runs from the top of the earth to the bottom. Do you understand what is latitude and longitude? Now you know the basics of latitude and longitude.